Hey everybody, big news out today is the IPCC 6. The big takeaway for today's report is this table. This table shows us that different scenarios, and that means how fast we cut carbon or if we don't. So one scenario right here, they call it the SSP 1-1.9. That's essentially getting to net zero by 2050. It's cutting our emissions quickly. And we would see in the near term that we would have temperatures stay under 1.7 and maybe as low as 1.2. We're currently at 1.1 sea warming, so that's not so bad. And we could even, if we follow that pathway, see temperatures come down by 2100. On the other hand, if we party like there's no 2099, we do this SSP 5-8.5. We are looking at just by 2040, getting close to 2 degrees Celsius. So warming almost double what we've done so far. And by 2100, we're talking about really hot temperatures, an average global temperature increase of 4.4, or somewhere ranging from 3.3 to 5. Really hot. Okay, so that's what these scenarios mean. Just to give you an idea of what those pathways look like. If we keep pummeling away on emissions like there's no 2099, that's the line we're following, and that's when we end up with these temperatures of 3.3 to 5.7 by 2100. If we're really cut our emissions right now and we get them down to net zero around 2050, that's when we're looking at these nicer, cooler temperatures. What do they mean? Well, a 1 C warming, what we could see if we're really on top of it, is we could see temperatures that look like this, are pretty cool. If we just keep partying it up, we're going to see temperatures that look like these. And what does that mean in terms of extreme events? Well, what is now a 1 in 10 year warming event will happen 9.4 years out of 10. So we're talking about just about every year. We would see things that right now are decade events if we keep partying. But if we don't, we'll only see them every 3 years. Same thing with a 50-year event. What we see once every 50 years now, we are going to see once every 30 or 39 times out of every 50 years. So if we keep partying like that, we're just going to have these tremendously extreme heating events pretty much every year, 2 out of every 3 years, something like that. And so that's the big news. To understand what the IPCC is about, it's this table right here. These are the predictions that they're coming up with at this point based on all the evidence that we have. We have a real chance of limiting warming and even coming back down if we get on the stick now.